Hi guys, it's AGZoeEve and I'm back with another unboxing. This is the School Rules collection, Set the Scene packaging. This is the Love to Explore Arts and Science set. And this is I guess these are the Set the Scene packaging items. It's $54, currently online and available at American Girl. I will say that I did get 20% off because I picked this up at American Girl Place when they were having the 4th of July sale, and they had just launched these items at that time, so I was able to snag them. So let's just see what we have. So let me just tell you what we have. It said it contains a pottery wheel, a clay tool, a black canvas, one color wheel, one test tube set, a paintbrush, a paint palette, a foam sponge, a set of measuring spoons, a microscope, a box of slides, a pair of goggles for the doll, a beaker, a translucent tub, a container of modeling clay, a container of play sand, one science sticker sheet, and one art sticker sheet. So that's a lot. Okay, so it looks like this is the pottery wheel, clearly. You guys can tell me in the comments if you prefer me to actually open these things. Oh, look how cute. And it has like little stains of pottery like it had been used. That's cute. I love the color. And I love its logoed American Girl right there. That's so cute. Love. Yeah, so let me know in the comments if you prefer me to actually open these things or have them pre-opened and then just talk through kind of what we have. So this looks like modeling clay. So we'll open that in a sec. I have a feeling. Oh, it's like, I think it's like real. Let me see. Oh goodness. This is the moldable sand. Moldable sand. I'm dying to touch that. But let's get everything open first. Oops. So this is the tray or tub, translucent tub. This is a beaker. And this is the translucent tub. It's logoed American Girl. The beaker. I'm gonna need a scissor to clip this. No, I got it. A little beaker, pink. It's cute. This is to hold the test tubes. Looks like I jumped into science and I should have finished with opening the things for the clay, but we'll keep going where we are at. Oh my goodness, look at the test tube, so cute. These are adorable. Oh my goodness. These are the test tubes. This is what they look like. They say American Girl on there. They're green. Okay, would it be this way? Yes, it would be this way. Oops. More like this way. And I have the desk. We'll do a separate unboxing for that, and I will show you what all of this looks like once it's fully set up, or I'm going to set it up. Very, very cute. And we have the measuring spoons. Just finish with the, oh yeah, cute, very cute. And then we have the microscope slides. How adorable, and look. They are actually little, it says onion skin with a fake little slide there. We have human hair. Adorable pine stem. And the last two are algae and amoeba, I think. Amoeba. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Set. Here is the microscope. I checked, can't see anything. Very cute though. Plasticky. I wish it had been a little bit more metal, like here, but it's cute. So you could slide the little microscope slide here and pretend you're looking. Your doll is looking. Very cute. And then we have the goggles. Blue with the fuchsia or pink band, adjustable band. Holy cow. Look at the mess. See the plastic mess here. Sorry, I'm out of string. I'm just trying to open all of these. I should have opened this first, and then we'll jump into the clay and sand and see what that looks like. Okay, so we have the little sponge. There has to be a better way. It's a package. Very cute. A little paintbrush. These are more of the art supplies. I feel like this could double as a makeup brush. Oh my goodness. I can't even open it. Holy cow, hang on. Sorry. Oh, the brush bristles are really soft. And the color wheel, you can see it through the plastic, so I won't bug you with taking that off. This is a little piece of clay that goes on the actual clay wheel. Like you're molding clay. There's a little palette here and a blank canvas, it looks like. This is what I saw in store. Super cute. And then this is the blank canvas, plastic on the back. That's cute. And then we just have the Love to Explore Arts and Science set with all the details of the contents and how to put, oh look, so you can see how you can actually mash and mold the play sand and the clay on your wheel. So you can actually use these items to mold and play with. That's so cool. And then that's how you would play with the sand, and we'll do a separate video and show you the details of that. But then you can use these stickers to on the canvas. So you can decorate the canvas with the stickers. I think it would probably be more likely these, but you can do it with either one. This is the science stickers, and these are the art stickers. So it depends on what you want your canvas to look like, I would guess. Or you could use some of those stickers to decorate your desk too. But this is really cute. It says store, mash and mold play sand and clay in the provided container after use. And it's susceptible to environmental factors. So you want to make sure that you're taking care of it. And this is just another picture of the entire set. So this is adorable. $54. And it is available online at the American Girl website. Let's just open this real quick because I'm dying to see. Oh, it's sealed, but we'll open it later. This is the moldable sand. It looks like kinetic sand, so that's cool. And then this is the modeling clay. It looks like Play-Doh. Adorable. This is a really cute set. I really like it. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments.